if you want to use voice typing on a Google Pixel 10, the first thing that we can do is to check if voice typing is enabled. So let's go ahead and open the settings. Now go to System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then a Gboard. This is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. And then over here we have a voice typing, which we can enable and disable just by tapping on the switcher. And there is also the faster voice typing option, so why not use it? So afterwards we can open our keyboard, and if you have a voice typing, then you can find this microphone on the right side here at the top of the keyboard. We can tap on the microphone, and if you do this for the first time you need to grant permissions, so let's choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text. Simple as that. If you want to stop that, you just have to tap on this microphone again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.